the hidden costs of real estate investing. Welcome back to my channel where I dive deep into the world of real estate and investment. So today I'm uncovering some hidden costs of real estate investing, those sneaky expenses that can catch even seasoned investors off guard. So you want to stay tuned to learn how to protect your wallet and maximize your returns, right? The reason why you're investing in real estate is to maximize your returns. So you want to be aware of this sneaky expenses. Hey there, this is KG and welcome back. I'm a realtor in the DMV area, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified of videos that I drop weekly. So let's jump right into today's topic. Real estate investment can be rewarding. It is very rewarding and interesting. However, it is crucial to be aware of all the costs involved. So in this video, I am going to unearth some hidden costs and expenses to watch out for. Number one is the property management fee. So if you have a property that you want to rent, you're investing as a real estate investor, as a landlord, property management fee can take a significant chunk of your rental income. So these fees are not set in stone. They can range between 8 to 10% of your monthly rent, and they can quickly add up. So you want to consider that when you are investing in real estate, or you can also consider managing the property yourself to save these fees. But you want to understand what it entails and have the time commitment. Number two is the maintenance and repairs of properties. You know, the routine maintenance and unexpected repairs are inevitable. It's going to happen, right? Always have budget for this to avoid being caught off guard by a leaking roof, a broken AC, a broken refrigerator, and you know they always happen at the time that you don't really then want them to happen. So along with you budgeting is also to be proactive. I tell my clients, you want to be proactive by making regular inspection of the property. If you don't have a property management company, you know, making investment in items that can last long. And when things needs to be repaired, you don't want to do a quick patch up. You want to do a solid work. You want to have a team of contractors that can respond quickly and do a good job. It's very crucial. Number three is the vacancy cost. You know, there will be times you can avoid it where your property will sit vacant. The tenant moves as you're waiting for another tenant to come in. During this period, it can be 1 month or 3 months. During this period, you still expect to cover your mortgage payment, right? Utilities, you want to have the utilities and other expenses without your rental income. So you want to be prepared for this. Number four is insurance. You know, property insurance is not just a one-time cost. Premium can increase. What am I talking about? Premium do increase, especially if you make claims. Even if you don't make any claim, premium increase. So you want to make sure you are adequately protected, covered without overpaying. That means you shop around. You don't just take the renewal and just pay. No. Number five is the legal fees. You know, legal fees can arise from eviction, tenant disputes, property issues. You know, this happens. So having a good legal team on your side is essential, but it's also another expense to consider when you are investing or a real estate investor. Number six is taxes. We can avoid it. Property taxes, you know, this can vary widely depending on the location of your property, and they can increase over time. Not that they can increase over time, they will increase over time, and when they increase, they impact your overall profitability. Number seven is HOA and condo fee. So if you're investing in HOA community or a condo, this is another fee that will increase over time. So you want to be aware of this and plan accordingly by planning your rental increase. So there you have it, some of the hidden costs of real estate investing. But Don't let this hidden cost become a roadblock. I'm telling you this so that you're aware of it. So in the comment below, let me know what other real estate question you have, real estate investment question you have. I'm here to help you navigate the exciting world of real estate investment to help you achieve your financial goal. So if you want to invest in real estate and you want to get started, let's connect, right? So if you find this video useful, helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone that you know is interested in becoming a real estate mogul. We're doing it right here. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to get more insights and tips on real estate investment. Until next time, happy investing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.